Most people get into crypto for the wrong reasons. They see headlines. They hear rumors. Their broke buddy flipped a meme coin into a 5-figure payday. And suddenly they think they found the golden goose. But here's the truth that no one tells you. You don't get rich trading crypto. You get rich investing in it. Big difference. If you're new to investing and you're looking at crypto right now, I'm going to walk you through the actual strategy that works. No hype, no hopium. Just what's proven to build wealth over time. Let's start with the most boring and most powerful concept in finance, compound annual growth rate, or CAGR. Sounds dull, right? It's not. This one idea is what separates broke traders from actual investors with 7-figure portfolios. See, Bitcoin hasn't just been going up. It's averaged 40 to 50% a year over the past few years. That's not a guess, that's the annualized return. And here's where it gets fun. If you invest $100 a week into Bitcoin consistently for 12 years, assuming a modest 25% growth rate, that's not even its historical average, you'd turn $62,000 into over $200,000. No day trading, no charts, no stress. Just click buy once a week and then go about living. That's dollar cost averaging. It's not sexy, but it works. It's how real wealth gets built. Now let's talk about altcoins, because I know you're thinking about them. Yes, some altcoins, Moon. Yes, some give you those insane 100x returns. But let me hit you with a reality check. Over the past cycle, if you'd invested in every altcoin on the market, literally the entire market outside Bitcoin and Ethereum, you would have barely outperformed Bitcoin, and only by around 30%. And that's with massive risk, token inflation, and a ton of projects that are already dead. Here's how that works. Altcoins create new tokens over time, millions of them. So even if the price looks like it's recovering, your share of the pie gets diluted. Perfect example, Solana. The price is near its all-time high, but the market cap, the true valuation, is way higher because there are way more tokens in circulation now than there were during the last peak. So yeah, your coin might pump, but your gains get eaten alive by dilution. With Bitcoin, that doesn't happen. It has a hard cap, 21 million coins, period. That's why, year after year, Bitcoin outperforms. It's not hype, it's math. And it's why you don't need to guess or gamble. You just need to buy consistently and let time do the work. Let me show you why this matters. Imagine you've got a $26,000 Bitcoin portfolio, and it goes up just 20% in a year. That's over $5,000 in gains for doing absolutely nothing. Now compare that to trying to flip coins or time the market perfectly. Even if you nail the perfect trade, the odds you beat a consistent long-term CAGR, close to zero. But here's where most people screw it up. They sell too early. And when they sell, they pay taxes. In most countries, selling crypto for a profit triggers capital gains tax, anywhere from 18% to 25%. That's a quarter of your gains gone overnight. So what do smart investors do? They don't sell. They borrow against their assets at low interest and use that to pay for things like a car, a home, or a business launch. It's what the wealthy do every day. They don't cash out. They leverage up. Because as long as your asset is compounding faster than the interest you're paying on a loan, you're winning. This is how rich people avoid taxes, keep their assets, and let compounding do its thing. And no, I'm not saying take out a loan today. I'm saying build the base first. Build the portfolio that gives you freedom. Because at some point, the gains get so big, you don't need to work a job you hate. You don't need to take orders from anyone. You can take risks, start your own thing, take a vacation, because your money is working harder than you are. And it all starts with understanding this. You don't need to make the perfect trade. You just need to make the right decision, consistently, over time. Buy assets with long-term growth. Buy assets with real longevity. Buy them regularly. And don't panic sell when the market wobbles. If you're ready to stop guessing, stop gambling, and start investing the way real wealth is built, click the link in the description. I'll help you get started, step by step. You've got time. You've got opportunity. Don't blow it chasing coins that won't be around in 5 years. Stack smart, stay patient, and let compounding do the rest.